Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to turn off autoplay on Facebook video. If you want to turn off autoplay of Facebook video, first of all go into your Facebook account. Now open your account and now click on three dot on the menu. Now just click on the three lines on the menu and now click on. Now scroll down. Now here you will see setting and privacy. Now click on setting again. Now here you have to just scroll down and here you will see option notification setting, or you can also option media and contacts. Just click on media and contacts. Click on media and contacts and here you will see autoplay option. Now click on autoplay option. Now you can choose never autoplay video. If you choose never autoplay video, your the video of Facebook will never be autoplayed. So like this you can disable autoplay in your Facebook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.